Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a week ago or 10 days ago, a company called XDesign, they sent me an email telling me that they have a really nice AI that will be able to create a brand for you from scratch. That will be very interesting. So that's what we're going to check out now. So let's get to it. Alright, so we'll open the XDesign website. And by the way, you can have this website as an app too on your iOS or Android. They are available for both. So the most thing that actually got my attention, that's why I went back to make a video about it, is actually create a brand from scratch for you. And that's actually really cool. So whenever you have like an idea of a business, you can just go here and go to the agent, or if you prefer, you can go to the design and you have basically to design stuff. But we are interested in how to create a brand from scratch. So I will go and choose agent. And now I will paste my idea of a imaginary idea of a business called Food Street, that it has everything from ramen to pizza, so you can imagine. So I will just right click, copy it, and then paste it in here. So it's a prompt basically. And then I will send it to our agent. And what this does is would actually communicate with the agent and telling you new ideas and also suggest something about your business. And in the end, you would end up with a whole branding and also with mockups. That's what got my attention. So we'll wait and see. Okay, as you can see, we have a request saying what specific color do you prefer for the logo, or do I have any specific graphic element in mind, and would you like the logo to have modern or more traditional feel? Okay. Are there any specific fonts you prefer for the text? Okay, so let's actually answer each question. Alright, so I gave some instructions and now we'll wait and see our agent, what will do for us. Alright, as you can see, it's like any graphic designer. Before designing a logo or something, you will get to the web and search for inspiration. And that's exactly what gave us in here. You can see we have some samples that they already existed in the web. So we can choose 3 of these. And based on that, it will create a logo for us. So I think what got my attention, I like the text. For example, I think something like this green, it looks nice. And also I like the yellow. So I will actually go with this one. And let's go with this one too. So you can choose one from each. Alright. So let's go with this two and press continue. And then we'll see. Alright, as you can see, after analyzing, it gives us a lot of details of the colors that will be used in the logo. And if we go down, let's see the colors. I think they are nice, as you can see, with the hex code and everything. So going down, you will see the logo actually. So this is the first design, Food Street. This is very nice, simple. This is actually really cool. I like it. So now we can use one of these. I think I'm more lean to this one. So let's actually see full screen preview. So this is the first logo. Nothing going on. So I think I will go with this one for this example. So now I will select it and then I will press continue. All right, so we got another request. So first of all, this is the main color, which is exactly, I think it looks more eye-catching. And also now we can actually extend our brand, which means now we can create all the good marketing things that we can put for us to look to our brand. And also if you have a client, there's actually mock-ups. They are very useful for the client to see how it will look like in real life. So I will choose yes, generate brand extensions, and I will press continue. All right, as you can see, it already gave us some examples. So let's actually check this out first. So I'm gonna collapse that one. And now this is our workspace. So this is our first packaging. You see how cool that looks. And also we have some, I think they are collections. So, and also from the restaurant. So you can see the idea and also the menu. So let me actually go back. And it asks us if we want to generate or have more brand extension. So I will choose yes, and I will press continue to generate more. And there we go, we have another mockup. As you can see, that include ketchup, juice, all the good things about food. So, and it's still asking us if we want to extend more our brand or to generate more. So I will type yes, please. All right. And I will hit enter. All right. As you can see, we have more things. So let me collapse this. So we have like the wall of our restaurant, and also how an app, if you want to do an app, would look like, and some flyers. So I think this is fire actually. This is really cool. Let me just organize everything. And now let's see. I think we can organize this as a showcase webpage. So let me go back. As you can see, it said if you want to create a brand showcase webpage, of course we want that. So I'm just gonna press yes and continue. All right, so we have our showcase. And if you go down, you can see all the details. So let's actually open our showcase in here. And as you can see, you will have all the information. That include the colors of the logo and everything. And also some shots of our business. And as you can see, this will be very powerful to send to your client, to give them a more close idea to the whole branding identity of their project. So I think as a designer, this is really, really cool. And you can do this for like half an hour or 20 minutes. The only thing that maybe it's a little bit need to be worked on for this is actually it lags a lot. So I had to reload the workspace like 3 times because it just stopped working. But other than that, I think this is really cool. I think every designer, they should have this in their arsenal, just to get inspired at least. And maybe you can do some adjustments here and there. And I think this is actually really cool. So as you can see, we have a really nice showcase that you can show to your client or even for yourself if you don't want to hire a designer. So actually this is really cool. And of course, I will tell you more about this website. If you go back to the main page, you can do all that fun stuff with this. For example, creating your posters, your 3D figuring, and all of that, animation, all the typical AI things that can do. So yeah. And for the price, it's actually not that expensive. I think, it's only $10 a month. You can make it to be billed monthly. So yeah, I will make sure to put the link in the description where you can check them out. So if you enjoyed this and it was something that you were looking for, let me know in the comments, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.